Hi, this is Samuel from Gravity Race. I'm going to show how to build a retirement investment calculator using the Gravity Forms Advanced Calculation Spec. The Advanced Calculation Spec has a number of functions which helps to perform certain calculations to get accurate results. For this setup, we'll be using the future value function. Just as any other function, it expects values either from the users or it could be static values that is being passed. The parameters, the first one is the annual interest rate. The second one is the period of contribution. The third one is the monthly paid per each period. The fourth is the initial investment, which is the present value. The last one is an optional one, which determines whether the payments will be made at the end of the period or at the beginning of the period. By default, is the end of the period. So now that we know the details of the function, we are going to test this on a sample form over here. Now, the first field is the current age, then the age of retirement, the initial investment, monthly contribution, and the interest rate. The last field is where the calculations will be performed, and that is where we have the function. Now, the first parameter is the interest rate. The user enters the interest rate amount, which is then multiplied within the function by 0.01 to get the percentage. The number of period, you subtract the age of retirement from the current age. That's what we have over here. The monthly period is what the user enters over here. We multiply it by 12 to get the annual contribution. And the last one is the initial investment. Now, for the monthly period and the initial investment, since they are outflow of cash, you precede it with a negative. That's what we have here. Then the results will be in the positive, which is an inflow of cash. The last option is optional. As I mentioned, it's going to be expecting the payment at the end of the period. But then if we set it to 1, we get the payment at the beginning of the period. So we have this saved. Now let's see how this one works. So I have the investment calculator over here. So let's say the current age is 35. The age of retirement is going to be, let's say, 65. The initial investment is $10,000. The monthly contribution, 2,000. And then we have the interest rate of 10%. So as you can see, the estimated retirement saving is what we have over here. And that is all possible using the future value function without any manual entering of the formulas. I hope this helps. Thank you.